Good morning, gang. It is day 4 of London trading session. London trading session's going really well. It could have been better. Obviously, I could have already passed the trade on day 1 if I wasn't an idiot. So I don't know if you remember, but my equity actually went past the target level of the challenge, and I didn't close the trade because I thought the challenge was 28,000 instead of 27,000. And then it obviously went back into drawdown and it didn't pass the challenge when I closed the trade. So that was my own fault, stupidity, idiot. But it's going well. Yesterday was another winning day on that account. I can't remember how much it was, about 100. I don't remember actually. I don't remember how much we won. I'll look at the charts in a minute and see. But it was a winning day, so that was good. And yeah, just fed the cats, just fed the dog. Gonna make a coffee, and then we're gonna sit on the charts and mark it up and get ready for hopefully another successful day. Tomorrow is my daughter's birthday. She's gonna be 4. So I don't know if I'll be trading tomorrow or not yet. Freaking harem enough. I'd like to trade, but you know, daughter's birthday. If she wants to open her presents, then we'll be opening presents at 8 in the morning. All right, see you on the charts. Good morning, gang. So we're on the charts, about 6 minutes till market opens, and the first thing I need to do is make sure that I am in the right account. So, like I said, what was yesterday? Is it going to tell me? Don't think it was too much actually. It wasn't too crazy. But that's fine. Today's a new day. Don't need that wide. So we're looking at France 40. France 40 always seems to have these gaps. Not much doing there, so things we've got to be aware of. Areas of interest that we need to consider. So we'll go to the 15 minute, get a clearer picture on the 15 minute. It's like a floor and a ceiling there, so that's something to be wary of. So we could consider that. So what I'm going to do, I'm just mark up the areas of interest first, and then I'll look at other confluences. I was making a lot size calculator Chrome extension, but I currently have errors, so I was hoping to use that I made personally. So when it's ready, I'll make it available to you guys. But it's giving me errors at the moment, so lot sizes are not what they should be just yet. Checked in that zone. So we've just got to keep flicking between, see where there's an opportunity. DAX is looking the most likely. Oh, we entered the buy session too soon. Shouldn't have done that. It's too keen. Look at that. Far too keen on that trade I was. Shouldn't have entered that one. This one I went to though. Just what we don't want first thing in the morning. It's got a long way to go to redeem itself. Sometimes I'm so locked in with concentrating I forget that I'm filming and I need to make it a bit more entertaining. Oh, DAX is going to kick us out. Oh, we're at DAX. Closed at 230, Jesus. Savage. So France 4 he can turn it around, but it's got a long way to go. Bugger. No quick trades today. I might be doing something silly here, but I'm going to take a sell position on DAX again, but with small upsize. Okay, so we're going to set to break even now. France 40 was pushing, and it's pushing back down. Brilliant. No, he just rolled in dirt. He rolled in dirt.
How?
He rolled
Yeah, where?
in the garden
How?
because he wanted to.
Yeah, but how?
Because he laid down and rolled. UK 100 is kind of range bound him between the channel. In theory, what you could do, you could take a position like that. If you're feeling brave. I might test it. Super tight stop loss. Oh, God. What am I doing to myself? What am I doing it? Bye. Like it. And we'll set take profit as well. A different way of trading in the channels. Why do I have two positions? Oh shit. That I did not mean to do. Of course. Of course. That'd be the one time it breaks free, the channel. Of course it would be. Oh, no way. Oh, I'm killing myself. Taking these silly trades. Just thought I'd test it. Thought I'd test, range bound in the channel. It's gone horribly, horribly wrong. How close that is to the stop loss. Well, I think I'll be done after these trades play out. I'm out, done, no more. You're losing too much money again. Doing silly things. Oh. Chasing profits. We're out. £300. That was stupid of me. Thought it was going to just bounce back up. Snipe a little profit. Wasn't to be. This could be a real bad morning. This is why you don't go chasing profits and doing stupid things. Could be another long day, long morning. There's not much movement on London session, I think. It's a bit more depressing. I think there's a different tactic to use. This is our first bad day on London session in this account. We had a bad day in the other account. It's our first bad day in this account. But hey, losses happen, right? Losses happen. Just gotta take it on the chin. Lots of potential sell positions, but it's a little bit shit. Bit shit today, guys. What's the big loss? 230 on that DAX trade. Entered two trades by accident here. Don't even know how. This is when you need to use the Alex GFX set and forget, because it could be here all day. Unless this drops real freaking quick. But whilst I'm here, I'm always going to keep looking for potential entries. Which is foolish, because I need to just let it go. Volume just keeps going down now. So price action is going to slow down. You would assume. The one time it really breaks free the trend line is when I take the trade. Typical. Then I should have looked what I should have done, idiot. You see this candle? See this candle shape there? That is probably a clue that that's going to push through from the shape of it. You see, I think they're called like hammer candles. These shapes normally mean there's going to get pushed down. Normally. Not that shape there. I forget what that means. But normally, when you see a hammer candle, it means it's gonna. Normally, these things are pushed down with a big wick. Obviously, there's no guarantee, but it leaves clues. Like this one, right? The body of the candle's at the top, and there's a big wick. So normally that means there's like buyer's resistance here, and the buyers are going to step in, which they did. There's strong seller's resistance, so I need the buyers to come in and be like, hey, we're going to buy all this stuff. But it could resist off this here. So that's why I've set this position here. Because I'm looking at this thinking, oh yeah, that's like really encouraging. I could step in here and make a few quid. But it could easily reject here. Let's see. I begin to think when it gets to target zone 1, just freaking cash out, you know? Oh, it's going to be a bad day. Just a little buy. But I like to make my life harder. More stressful. That's what I'm about. Stress. Why? Why am I doing this to myself? This is how you end up blowing your account, you know. Yep, this is how you do it. Do dumb shit, get punished. There's no way this is going to go in my favour. It's drinking downward trend. You're better off cutting your losses and just be like, oh, well, you get another $70 down. I might end the video in a minute, boys and girls. This is far too much of a depressing video. London session is hard. It can be great, but it can also be really hard, so maybe stick to New York session. More awake, more alert, more on it. Got support from Mamba. Maybe that's what I need. I just need someone to tell me what is a good trade and what isn't. Because I'm still there in this shit, and clearly I feel like I'm taking a step backwards today. I feel like I'm entering trades that I shouldn't be entering. I can't help myself. Need to learn control. I thought I was looking at the charts, to be honest. I was spotting what was going to happen. Evidently not. The account's taking a battering today. That's not good, is it? That's not good. That's going to tap us out soon. If it doesn't change. Just pushing down towards that stop loss. This is the face of depression. Oh well. Just numbers on the screen, boys and girls. Just numbers on the screen. Just remember that. It can all change in a blink of an eye. Literally, if you trade news, it can change in a blink of an eye. Lesson learned. Look at that. Look how close that was to being where I would consider entering the trade. So I would have entered and it would have gone straight to stop loss. That is crazy. I need to learn. I need to read the Candlestick Bible again. Read it through properly. What is going on? A minute ago we were freaking minus $110. Now I think 60. Come on. Keep pushing. Come on, guys. Come on, my babies. Make me proud. Oh, if this turned around, it'd be the freaking biggest comeback of the century. Go on, Dax. That's the spirit. Fucking hell. I wasn't expecting that. Dax is in the green. Yay. France 47 and 5 minutes too. Literally gone from minus $110. So only minus $28, $26. Trading is a fucking roller coaster. Trading is, what unbelievable. What? I better do this part then, I suppose. Because this screen's so fucking small. You know what I need to do though, don't you? I need to make this a 1 to 4 now. Okay, target zone hit. What size? I did a 1. From minus $110 to up $2. Crazy. What is going on? Come on, France 40. If he gets to target area 2, we'll set to break even. That is a strong push. Was not expecting that. And if I'd had my stop loss set there, I'd have been out. What? That is crazy. That is insane. France is now in the green. Unbelievable. Did not see that coming at all. I wish I'd done a bigger lot size in this one now as well. What a turnaround. What a turnaround. I was on the depths of despair a minute ago. But it broke the trend line. And away it went. It tried to kill us at one point. But off it went. I wish I'd done a bigger lot size. I only did the smallest lot size I could do. Which is frustrating. Oh, France has dropped again. Trading is mental. Like, you've got to have patience and balls of steel at the same time. Didn't even look at what UK 100's doing for a while. Not much of interest for us. Just want France to... Nuts. This is nuts. Time to stand up according to my Apple Watch. And Layla has sent me a Facebook attachment. What do you reckon? Wrestling. Because we love a bit of wrestling. No, it's a cat. Brilliant. She loves sending cat videos. A cat with a camera. Has she sent me anything on Instagram? That's normally the next port of call. No, nothing on Instagram. It's tricky to know what to do with this. Like, I've been here for a long time now, like an hour. But things look like they could turn around. And we can claw back some of that. Whoa, what the hell? What just happened? Oh my god. So that's a break even. Jesus Christ. Jesus. Whoa, France just shit the bed. Trail that stop loss. What? What the hell? Oh my god, what's going on? Wow. I don't know what to do. I'm hoping to break even. Wow, okay. That was crazy. I don't know what just happened. I don't know where I am anymore. That was insane. No, I don't know what to do. Part of me is like, close out. The other part of me is like, let it run. Let it run. Lost for words there. Whatever just happened, maybe that was news, I don't know. Is there news at 9 o'clock? His tally, I can't imagine that does anything. Wow, that's insane. Thank fuck for that turnaround. So this will hopefully minimise today's losses. I mean, we're still at a loss, but there you go, boys and girls. You just never know what might happen in the space of a couple of seconds. There's a lot of volume came in, and made today not as horrendous. Still not great, but from being minus 110 to up 254, like that, is incredible. But I'm happy it's turned around and we will salvage some of this loss. Long video. Took a surprising turn. Glad I stuck in it. Also glad that I had this huge stop loss initially. On a normal day, if I hadn't got that $300 loss, I'd probably close this out by now and just be happy with the $240. But because I got that huge $300 loss, I need it gone, or as much of it gone as possible if I can. So that's why I'm holding the trade with a trailing stop loss, because I'm hoping. Oh, what's going to hit the stop loss?
Here's what I found.
I'm hoping it'll go back up, but what will be will be. Outstanding turnaround though. Jesus, what was that about? It's trading, man. Just mess with your head. But we're here. We're living large. Not quite in charge, but if I'd had that lot size as a 0.5, this would be like 400. So that's gutting. Would have been a good day. As it stands currently, it's a loss. So it's a long video, boys and girls. So what I'll do is I'll probably end the video in a minute and just update you. I'm just gonna go live life a little bit, I think, and let these trades play out. There's nothing more we can do now. We've set our stop losses to trail him. So hopefully it trails up. But if not, it is what it is. We've minimised the losses today. Hopefully it turns into a profit day. I don't think it will. But we've minimised our losses. So, happy days with that. Anyway, if you haven't, please do like the video. I know this video started off a bit slow. But obviously that it's... I think there's something you can take from this video, is that even when it's going against you, in the blink of an eye, it can go your way. And vice versa, it can be going your way, in the blink of an eye, it can go against you. But in today's video, you literally saw I was minus 110, and now it's up. It went up to like 280, I think, at some point. So, unbelievable how quick that can change for you. And if I had a decent lot size on this one, I was being a conservative, I was a bit nervous, I would have been in profit. Right now, I could have closed this all out and be done with it. But instead, I've set trailing stop loss, and we're just going to follow this trade till the bitter end now, and hopefully it turns a profit for the day. I don't think it will, but hopefully it does. So yeah. If you haven't already, guys, please do like the video and please do subscribe. It does mean a lot to me, and if you've got any comments, please do leave them. I will reply to them. And yeah, I will see you later on for the New York session. Right, take care, guys. Okay, so just a quick update on this crazy morning. So as you know, we were $300 down, nearly 400. Things have turned around massively, as you can probably see on the screen. We're now up $450 odd, and obviously we've got our trailing stop loss for France. So whatever happens now, it's in profit. And obviously DAX is absolutely smashing it. It's now all the way up here. Our stop loss is trailed up there. So whatever happens now, it should be a profitable day, which is unbelievable considering where we were. You know, what turnaround. It just goes to show you just never know what is going to happen. You can have all the best intentions in the world, but you can't control what you actually can't control, right? So we can predict what we think is going to happen. Sometimes it plays out, sometimes it doesn't. Like, for example, here, my stop loss should have been on this red line. I actually set it lower. I don't really know why I set it lower. I just didn't feel comfortable with it being there. So then it turns out that gut feeling was right. And there was points this morning where I was just like, oh, I give up. Just close this trade out. Minus $70. Don't lose any more. You've already lost 300. You don't want to lose more than that. And it's a whirlwind of... It's like a conflict of what to do. What the right thing to do is in your head. Do you sit and wait? Do you close? Do you know, what's the best option? Do you just cut your losses? Do you hope that it turns around? Obviously, today it's turned around amazingly, and I couldn't be happier. And I'm going to jump off now while my lovely daughters have just come down the stairs, so she's going to look at me. She's like, Dad, you're rubbish at YouTube. She might be right, but you know, here we are. So I'm going to update you later on with where these trades have gone. So I'll speak to you then. Okay, so just to give you a quick update on how the trades went. You can probably see on the screen how they went already. So France 40 closed out at a profit of $187. Let's see what that looked like. So closed out at, what time did it close out? 11:38. Is it right? That's not right, is it? Must be 10:38, I'm guessing. Oh, I don't know. It's not even 11:30 yet. No idea what these times mean in the slightest. So it closed out at 7,691. It's probably about there, I'm guessing. Yeah, closed out about there. Hit the trading stop loss, which is a shame because it's obviously still gone up, right? But it closed out and we took some profit, which is good. And then obviously DAX went really well. It just kept going and going, and it closed out 2,433. So around this mark here, right? So it's probably like the perfect close I'm looking at it currently. So that was a profit of $433. So for the day, we're actually up $321. Can you believe that after the absolute mess that was this morning? So you look how today started. Minus 230, minus another 70, and then bam, bam. And it got to a point where we were down like $400. But we turned it around and things went well. And now let's look at our challenge status. Trading days 4. We're $224 away from passing this challenge. $224 away from passing. That feels so good. Obviously, I could have passed on day 1, but I fucked it up by not actually closing the trade. But lessons learned, be more vigilant. And yeah, hopefully, if we do trade tomorrow, because like I said, it is my daughter's birthday, so we might not trade. But hopefully, sooner or later, we're going to pass this challenge. Unbelievable. So very, very happy with where we are at. So yeah, anyway, that's the quick update. We've got another trading session in about 3 hours from now, but I thought I'd just jump on here and show you how the trade panned out. Unbelievable, from like the depths of despair to a really good day again. Right, I will speak to you on tomorrow's London session. If you haven't, please do like and subscribe. That would mean the world to me. Thank you, and see you later.